Now, dear audiences, I am among the beautiful dresses. Let's ask them which countries they are. Please, could you represent yourself, your name?
My name is Mehdi. I'm from Tunisia.
So, as I know, most students don't know which country is Tunisia. Can you say something about maybe famous people, maybe famous food you have?
Tunisia is a very famous country. It's not very famous, but it's in the north. It's in North Africa, and we have our famous singer called Balti. I don't know if you know it.
Singer. So as I see, women dresses are very famous, as I know, very beautiful. She affected to me with her dresses. Can you say something about your dress?
Yes, of course. This one, it's called safsari. It's made of silk, usually. And it came like one piece. And then we do like this. We wrap it around our waist. And this is how it looks.
So you have something on your head, scarf or?
Yes, this is, we call it harma. Yeah, it's like bandana.
It is very, very similar to Turkmenistan's. Turkmen women also wear thing after wedding, but after wedding, girls doesn't wear such kinds of mostly. What about your country? Does this what you said, helma?
Harma.
Mehelma.
Yes.
Does the helma wears women or after marriage or before marriage?
No, it doesn't matter.
It doesn't.
It doesn't matter actually. We wear it like before marriage or after marriage.
It is interesting, really. So, do you have something special to explain here in your table?
This is our green tea.
Green tea.
Yes. And this is our food.
Okay.
This is actually the door of Sidi Bou Said. It's like Santorini.
Okay.
It's
Okay,
all
thank you.
in one white.
It's a very famous place in Tunisia.
Yes.
Which very?
Sidi Bou Said, this one. Yeah, the blue doors. You'll find it on the net like so much people talks about it.
Okay. So,
I want to explain something.
okay.
You see, this woman is dressed.
This place is miracle places. Miracle places?
No, it's normal places.
Normal famous place.
And this woman is wearing safsari like me. And this is our traditional doors in Tunisia. And one for men actually, and one for women. And this one is for kids to knock on the door. So the people of the house know if it's like a man is coming or a woman.
Ah,
Yeah.
with
I've seen this somewhere.
okay. With doors we know which one is woman, which one is man. Yes.
I think the right one is for women and the left one is for men. And this one is for kids.
Thank you. So, dear audiences, they explain that here is have two gates for women and for men. This is a difference, very interesting. Thank you so much for having some interview.
Thank you, Azim Consulting.
Thank you to Gelişim Uniwersiteti and Tunis. Have enjoyed, have fun today.
Thank you. Same
Have a
for
nice
you.
day.
Thank you so much.
Azim Consulting.